Well, good morning, everyone. It is Friday, April 3rd, 2020, and I'm reading this book. What really makes you ill? Why everything you thought about, what you thought you knew about disease is wrong, and it's amazing. My Bible, my gun, my scanner. I feed the birds. Here they come. And I feed the squirrels. There's my dog Toby. I feed the squirrels and the blue jays. Here's the squirrel. Let's see. Can I get up closer? Hello. So cute. I just put the peanuts right there. The blue jays. So my little zoo back here. It's so cute. I pray everyone's doing well and that we can return back to normal. Praying for everybody. God bless everybody. We need to turn back to God and pray, because there's some nefarious things going on. All right, people. You guys have a great day. I'll check in with you later. Take care. Bye-bye.